Guys, how are you doing? You are welcome back to yet another tutorial video. If you're new here, you are most welcome. My name is Chinyere Chichi for short, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always coming back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how to fix a front side pocket with a facing. If this video is the one you're interested in, please sit right back, relax, and keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do consider subscribing and hit the like button. Thank you. So this is the lower part of the dress that I'm going to be making the pocket on, and to get that done, I'm going to be getting another fabric just like so, place it on fold like this, and then get the main lower part of the dress, place it on fold as well, and then place on the other fabric, making sure that this part is aligned. And on this other end of the placement, as you can see, the main dress is about 2 inches wider than the one I placed under. And once this placement is done, the next thing is to divide the waist measurement by 4, and whatever we have, we're going to be taking it from the center fold towards the side of the dress like so. So the waist measurement divided by 4, whatever I have, I measure from the center just like this. So, and from this point of the waist divided by 4, I'm going to be marking backwards, that's inwards, by 2.5 inches. So from this point now, I mark backwards 2.5. So from here to here, we have 2.5 inches. And then from this point downwards, we're going to be marking 7 inches downwards, that is the pocket opening. So from here to here, we have 7 inches, and then another 5 inches, that's the total length of the pocket. Okay, and next I connect this point to this point, and to get that done, I do not want to use a straight rule because I do not want the connection to be straight, so I'm going to be using this curve rule to do the connection. This is slightly curved, not really deep, so I get this point connected to this point. And next I'm going to be marking out the shapes that I have marked out on the main fabric. I'm going to be having that marked out as well on the fabric that is beneath, that's the one that is below the main dress. So I have this shape now, and then I'm also going to be extending this 2.5 inches upwards so that I can have it on the other one as well. So as you can see, I have that visible now. And now it's time to have a cutout done, but I'm going to be doing that just on the main dress, not the other one that is below. So I'm cutting out on the main dress alone. So I take that out, and then I'm going to be extending this other the length of the pocket just like so, that is on the other one that is below. But to get that done, I don't want to chalk on the main fabric so that I don't have the main fabric messed up. So I placed a straight ruler on the main fabric and then raise it up just to trace out the length of the fabric on the other fabric that is below it. So after getting that done, I take out the main fabric, and you can see what we have on the other one that is below. And then coming over to this point, I'm going to be marking out about 5 inches outward from that 2.5 inches that we marked initially. So I have about exactly 5 inches here. So with that, I just proceed to cutting out the shape that I have marked out. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed up to this moment. Thank you. And now that we have this, I'm going to be cutting another pair of this. You know, we have this in pair, that's 1 and 2. So I place this on another fabric, and then I cut out just like so. So we now have a total of 2 pairs of this, that is 4 pieces in total. So this is one, and then this is the second one. And I get one of the pairs, that is 2 pieces, and then I place under the main dress, and then I cut out the pocket area just like so. And I place this one that I just cut out now on a plain black fabric, and I mark out 2.5 inches at the upper part and then at the side just like so. So I mark out 2.5 inches on both sides, and at this front area I also trace out the shape that I have here, and then connect all the shapes together on the black fabric. And after I have traced out the pocket shape on the plain black fabric, I take out the main pocket, and then I'm going to be extending all this, the 2.5 inches on the plain fabric just like so. So this is 2.5 inches all the way to the other end of the plain black fabric, and then I connect the points together, and then I have it cut out. This plain part of the pocket is just to give the pocket a beautifying look, just to beautify the pocket area. And now that I've cut that out, I take them out, and then I place it on the main dress just like so. You can see that it has taken the shape of the pocket area, and as you can see, it's already beautifying that area. And to get this black stitch down on the main dress, you can do this in 2 ways. It's either you tape it down with a bias, you just place bias on the tip of the pocket like so, and have it stitched onto the dress, or you fold in about 1/4 inch at the edge of the black one just like so. You just carefully fold that in, and I'm going to be showing us how to get that done. So you fold it all the way, iron it out, and then you stitch down. So let me show you exactly how to get that folded. So I take out one of the pockets, that's the plain black one, and then you can see I'm carefully folding it in by 1/4 inch. Please not use more than 1/4 inch so that it will make, you know, the whole edge very smooth and curvy. So you have that placed, and then iron out carefully.
can see how I'm getting that done. And after folding and ironing the edges, can you see how that is looking, how smooth it is looking, like very smooth. Okay, so you have to pay attention to that. And then I place it on the main dress, and then I stitch along the tip just like so. And I'm going to be showing us another method that you can use to fold the edge of your pocket like so. So I get this cardboard paper that I have here, and then I just place it on the pocket, the plain black pocket, and then I iron. This is much easier. Can you see, this is like in seconds you are done with this. And after which I take out the cardboard paper, and you can see how that looks, and then I just use an iron to just iron down properly, and then I place back on the main dress. And next I just stitch down on the main dress, and then this is what we have. Like, can you see how seamless it is looking? And then I get the other pocket I kept aside before, and then I place on the black, making sure that I have the right side placed on the main dress. So this is the right side, and I place it on the main pocket, and then I do the same thing to the other pocket, and then I'll be stitching using 1/4 inch like so. So I stitch down using 1/4 inch on the pocket, and as you can see, this is what we have. And the next thing, I'm going to be notching this point. So I notch this place so that it can relax properly. So I have both sides notched down, after which I raise this up, and then I get to top stitch on it. You can see I have it top stitched already, and then I take it in like so. You can see I place it under the main dress so that I can iron out flat, and after which I turn out to the wrong side of the dress. Can you see this is the back side of the dress? Can you see what we have on the inside? And now I'm getting the second pair of the pocket. Can you see, making sure that I have the right side placed over it like so. As you can see, this is the right side, and then I do the same thing to the other one, and I have to stitch down like so. So to get it stitched down, it's either you just stitch down and have it weave, or you stitch on the inside just like I'm going to be doing to this one. So I open up the pocket like so and pick up these 2 points like so. Can you see what I'm doing? So I pick up these 2 points, and then I have it stitched on this side and also this side. And after stitching, I turn out, and this is what we have. So I'm going to be ironing it out flat so that I can see exactly what it looks like. So after ironing, this is what we have. Can you see it? And then I turn over to the right side of the dress as well. So this is what we should be having. Can you see our pocket is almost 100% ready? So this is what we have now. So I'm going to be stitching on this part, because as you can see, we still have everything separate. So I'm going to be stitching it down to hold them in place. I'm going to be stitching this part and also the side down this way, and after which this is what we have. I have it stitched down. This part is now closed, and also this part is also closed, and as you can see, the pocket is set. I'm going to have the pocket and the band area beaded. I pray I'm able to finish up the whole beading before I upload this video. If not, I'm going to be showing us, at any point I stop, I'm going to be showing us what it looks like. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Please consider subscribing, give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.